Hey everybody, we've just about finished our second week of distance learning. I am super proud of all the progress that our students have made, and I especially want to give a huge shout out and thank you to all of our families who are helping us adjust to this time that's very different than what we normally do, and for all of your hard work working with the scholars at home. So, I have a couple of things that I wanted to share, some questions that we get pretty often. So the first thing I want to talk about is the student schedules. So every week, let me see if I can pull this up here. Every week, we will be posting the student schedules on the general post page. I will be tagging everyone just like I did here to make sure that you guys are all getting that. So every week it'll look a little bit different because some days or the assignments will change on different days, but we wanted to make sure that, I don't have it here yet. Well, we wanted to make sure that it's written what you need to turn in on that student schedule so that there's no confusion as to what needs to get turned in. And then the second thing I wanted to touch on was the assignments. When you log into Teams, if you go into the general channel, at the top, you are able to see the assignments. These are what needs to be turned in to ensure your scholar is getting a grade for their work. The only thing that is different is for direct instruction, you may have to send a picture to the teacher. But for Eureka Math, for Wit and Wisdom, which is my ELA class, for any electives classes, this will be where you submit assignments. And if it's past the due date, all you have to do is view more, and then you can see every single assignment. Now, we have had some questions about lesson posting. So just to respect teachers' personal times, because a lot of our teachers do have kiddos at home that they're also helping with distance learning, we're not, as of right now, going to be posting lessons in advance for the week. We'll always be posting them the evening or the night before they are going to be done. So for example, if it is Tuesday, we are going to post the lesson for Wednesday, Tuesday evening or night. So it'll be ready for you Wednesday morning. And then the last thing I had to share was that Fridays in general are going to be rest and catch-up days. So we understand that you might not be able to help your scholar every day, and that's totally fine. That's why we wanted to allot one extra day for that work to get done, for you guys to be able to work with your students. Tomorrow is a holiday. We would have had the holiday at school, but we're going to have the holiday virtually. So teachers will be responding back to any communications on Monday, because Friday we're going to give our teachers a break, we're going to give our families and students a break, and hopefully get to spend some quality time with each other while practicing social distancing. So if there was a question that you had that I did not bring up in this video, please send me a message on Remind. I want to make sure that everyone is on the same page and that we're able to effectively roll distance learning out. So enjoy the rest of your week. You're doing a great job, guys. Thank you.